Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is your game-changing solution, simplifying meals like never before. This incredible 9-in-1 multi-cooker combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake maker, all into one sleek appliance. With 15 smart, customizable programs, you can whip up everything from savory stews to perfect pasta with just the press of a button, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Its durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking and hassle-free cleanup, a huge plus for busy weeknights. What truly makes the Duo Plus stand out is its advanced microprocessor, remembering your custom settings for truly personalized culinary creations. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or searching for the best all-in-one cooker, this model offers unmatched convenience and performance. Ready to revolutionize your meal prep? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus linked directly in the description below, complete with current pricing. Imagine having delicious healthy meals, ready faster, with less mess and more free time. That's the Duo Plus promise. For anyone serious about efficient and enjoyable home cooking, buying this Instant Pot is an absolute game changer for 2025. I wholeheartedly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's the ultimate kitchen companion you won't regret investing in.